Hi guys, you're welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to unlink your Facebook account or your Facebook page from your Instagram. So it's very easy, very quick. So let's go straight to the video. Select the Facebook page in which you have linked the Instagram account. After selecting the Facebook page, you will see this option. You are now acting as the Facebook page and C page. As soon as you click on C page, the next option is to look for something called linked account. So we'll go to settings first, and then we'll look for linked accounts. So settings, and let's look for linked accounts. And this is the page for the linked account. And as soon as you have done that, you click on, now I have connected this Instagram account to this page, so I'll click on view. After clicking on view, all you need to do is to click on disconnect account. And as if you disconnect a Garden Diary Instagram account, people will not be able to manage it from Facebook. You will not be able to share most of the information you have on your Instagram with your Facebook. And when you run adverts, you also will not be able to run Instagram adverts from Facebook. And as you click on yes disconnect, both the Instagram and the Facebook page gets unlinked. And it's that simple, that easy. I won't be unlinking this because of course this is the page that I use often, so absolutely, but it's that simple. Those are the processes, and all you just need to do is to click on yes disconnect and you're done. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found value from this video, please like this video, and if you would like to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.